Peter the engineer arrives at the work site. He reviews his work queue on his laptop and opens the work order for the overheating robot. The work order has the primary fault code sent from the IoT Asset Monitoring Cloud, but no other meter information or notes. The work order has a single operation to inspect the robot. No materials are required for inspection. Peter puts on his headset and activates the maintenance assistant.
Okay, Google, talk to Oracle Maintenance Chatbot.
Ready.
Start work order 1160.
Work order started.
Read primary fault code.
Fault code SV430, servo motor overheat alarm.
Recommend next best action.
Recommended actions. Option 1, check motor temperature, 90% confidence. Option 2, check switch resistance, 68% confidence. Option 3, check encoder temperature, 60% confidence.
Complete operation, check temperature sensors.
Operation completed.
Record motor temperature 30 degrees.
Value recorded.
Record encoder temperature 110 degrees.
Value recorded.
Predict root cause.
Predicted root cause. Possible cause 1, defective encoder, 80% probability. Possible cause 2, defective brake controller, 54% probability. Possible cause 3, defective brake, 47% probability.
Complete operation, replace encoder.
Operation completed.
Additional recommendations.
Recommended action, replace controller battery. Predicted remaining useful life as 100 days. Next maintenance interval as 125 days.
Complete operation, replace controller battery.
Operation completed.
Complete work order.
Please capture root cause before completing work order.
Capture root cause, defective pulse encoder.
Root cause captured. Nice work. Work order 1160 completed and closed. Time to repair was 2 minutes.
After the work is done, Peter the engineer can review the data the voice assistant captured on the work order in the Maintenance Cloud application. Peter can see that the work order status is closed and the completion date reflects when he told the assistant his work was done. He can also see that motor temperature, encoder temperature, and root cause are captured. On the Operations tab, Peter can see that the voice assistant added the operations he completed: capture sensor temperatures, replace pulse encoder, and replace controller battery. He can also see that the voice assistant added the materials required to complete those operations: a pulse encoder and a controller battery. The voice assistant ensured that mission-critical data was captured completely and accurately, while at the same time enabling Peter to keep his hands free to do the work he likes to do best. That complete and accurate data means better decision-making and better machine learning models on Oracle Data Science Platform that make ever more accurate predictions. The Oracle Maintenance Cloud, together with the Oracle Digital Assistant, helps maintenance organizations see data in new ways, discover insights, unlock endless possibilities.